And we are back. It has been we have been waiting for at least 48 hours. We're going to carefully remove each egg and measure and record its circumference in centimeters 3 times as before. And again, we're going to be sure to be careful, keep careful track of which egg came from which solution so that we can compare how the circumference of each egg has changed and compare the change in circumferences across the experimental conditions. Also, as before, these measurements are best conducted over a plate or a sink because if an egg breaks, it'll make a mess. So we have an experimental tray right here where we will be conducting our experiment. We're gonna go in. There's Enoch. Say hi, Enoch.
What's up, your favorite trusty assistant?
Trusty assistant. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some measurements. I've already documented some measurements. I'm gonna go in and redocument the egg after the egg. After it is set in the solution, then I am going to use my measured data, calculate the statistics from the tables 1, 2, and 3, and fill in the bank table below with the average values of the circumference of each egg calculated in the table 1. Now I'm going to fill in the second row of the table with the average values of each egg circumference from the table 2, and I'm going to fill in the row 3 of the table by subtracting the average value of each egg circumference in table 1 from the average value found in table 2. And we will be back. Okay, we've successfully measured all 3 of the eggs. Actually, we lost one of them, so we're gonna have to go back and do the experiment for egg number 1 over. But the conclusion we come to is that what was this experiment all about? You ask. 1 second. Basically, like I said, many organisms like coral and shellfish, form the exoskeletons out of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate will dissolve in the presence of an acid. Thus, as ocean pH goes down, marine organisms that rely on calcium carbonate shells are threatened. That's just basically saying that CO2 emissions are coming. CO2 emissions, they come out the ozone, they mix with the ocean, and they spread. They spread throughout the ocean water. It makes the pH balance go down in the water, makes the water more acidy, and it dissolves the cells. It dissolves the cells from crustaceans and other shellfish animals in the oceans that form their soft exoskeletons. So I'm gonna ask that on that note, please recycle. Please recycle. Start using styrofoam. That's why all them CO2 emissions. That's how a lot of them CO2 emissions get there. That we can help. Start using styrofoam. Use glassware and wash them dishes. And get you a car that's economy safe too. We are done. Where's Enoch?